Facebook, YouTube, good morning guys. Today is March the 13th and look at this beautiful day we have been given today. I'm out here for the first time, Lake Oconee. This is a area in Georgia. It was about an hour and a half from Lawrenceville. This is a new client that found me on YouTube. They have this property. It's a little bit over 700 square feet of wood floors, and after watching my videos they wanted to get the floors refinished without sanding. So show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. You can look at these floors and just tell that these floors definitely need some TLC. And actually looking at the floors, I do see some type of a wax build up on the floors, but not that much. So it's a small job. They contacted me about 3 weeks ago. They sent me pictures, and then based off the pictures, I gave them a ballpark figure price of how much it was going to be, and then I'll adjust the price once I get here and get the actual measurements. But for the most part, if I'll usually come out if it's like within like a 20-30 mile radius and just do an in-home consultation for $75 and just deduct that from the bill, which I've already booked 2 of those today. I got to do one tomorrow in Decatur before I go to my Jefferson job, and another one Wednesday in Smyrna. So guys, these are the floors I'm going to be doing today. All right, so we got this area right here. Also going to be going with a satin finish, this kitchen area. Okay, and coming into this foyer, and then also we want to do the stairs. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting my equipment in to get these floors looking better. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just want to give you a little update. This is one of those floors. I just want to clean it really good first because, again, there's a lot of buildup, just a lot of dirt embedded in the floor. So I want to clean that off before I start screening. It doesn't clog up my screens. So just to give you guys a little demo, you can see where I've cleaned already. Just look how better the floors just look clean. Now let's go over here. So I sprayed the floors down with an emulsifier, and now I'm extracting with a neutral cleaner. Look at that, guys. And that water is dirty. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, just look at the difference. I have it. Wow. That just shows you how much dirt is embedded in the grain of the wood. right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, here's another demo. If you look close and see where I've cleaned, look at the grain of the wood. You see the difference? See where my fingers are going? But look here. That's nothing but embedded soil, dirt in the floor, in this wood. Big difference. All right, let's zoom out. Get another little demo of cleaning. See that? Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's just dirt on the floors, all right? Now you see why I stopped again? All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this foyer hallway, and I'm going to get ready to start prepping for the screening. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just go back to the beginning of the video when I did the walkthrough. Look how much better these floors look. Just cleaning the floors, all right? And I'm also gonna go ahead and clean the stairs. I'm gonna do it by hand, but I also wanna show you something. Where the machine can't get sometimes under the toe kicks. Look, this is a brand new, look at this microfiber towel, okay? No tricks. I'm gonna take some squeaky clean, because I've already emulsified. So I'm just gonna put a little squeaky clean, and I'm just gonna take this microfiber towel and just wipe all that residue from under the toe. Look at that. And this is some type of acrylic wax on the floor. Look at that right there. All right, just that little area right there. All right, look at that. All right, see right there? So I'm gonna go around, do all the areas my machine couldn't reach. Been getting a lot of calls already this morning, but again, we are going into the busy season. Oh, look at that, guys. Just dirt. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, while the floors are drying out, I'm gonna go ahead and screen the stairs. So you can see I'm using my little palm sander. Festo, these are some great palm sanders. They're very expensive, but they're very good. I own about 4 of them. Very good palm sanders. guys, I got the stairs done. Now I'm down to the floors. Get some good abrasion on these floors. I'm using my Recoat Vibe. Now, I get this question a lot, especially on YouTube. Some of the contractors or people who are looking to get into business, they always ask me, well, Courtney, why are you using this machine and not this machine? Or one video I saw you use one machine. Guys, I am the type of contractor, I do not depend on just one tool. As you guys see in my videos, or if you go look at my shop, I have, oh man, not including my truck mount, that's about 70 grand right there. But guys, I probably got over 100 grand just in equipment, just in my shop in between my two hardwood trucks. I just don't depend on one piece of equipment. I work for a good client, so I want to give them the best, and I always want to make sure I have what I need. Just like Recoat Vibe, I have 3 of these. If this machine goes down, I want to be able to put my hand on the same machine. Buffers, I got about 6 buffers. I got about 3 of those cartridge machines you see us using when we remove the wax. Those machines are about $4,000. I got 3 of those. I got 4 Namcos. Those machines are about $2,500 a piece. All right, so palm sanders. I got Festals. I got about probably 5 Festals. All right, you're probably looking at anywhere from $400 to $600 per palm sander. So again, that also comes with working for clients who pay me what I ask for. So if they pay me what I'm asking for, I can take that money and those profits and put it back into my business and make sure I have what I need to give my job, to give my clients a great job, and also make my jobs efficient. Okay, so that's why you guys see me using different machines, and we are getting some good abrasion on these floors. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, what I'm doing now is vacuuming the floors. You can already see I vacuumed over there. Man, the phone is running, but we are going into the busy season. I've already booked like 5 in-home estimates today, consultations. All right, guys, let me go ahead and vacuum these floors, and then I'm going ahead and get ready to put the first coat down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the first coat going down on the stairs. I ambered my first coat, give the floors a little contrast, a little color. You can see I'm using a really good poly. See how thick it is. I want to get a good build on these floors. All right, guys, let me finish doing this. Kind of hard to do this and do the stairs. And I'll come back and show you some rolling of the floor. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm just sitting here in the rocking chair watching the poly dry. That's the first. So anyway, I just got through putting my cross link, my hardener, in my second coat. And I also, too, switched out my roller to a brand new roller because I don't want to get that amber mixed up in the second coat. So I'll say about another 30, 40 minutes, I'll be ready to apply the second coat. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the second coat going down on the stairs, as you can see. Clear coat on the second coat, no amber. But guys, these floors came out so much better. Take a look. First coat already dry. Let's do a little walkthrough. Oh man, these floors look so much better. So much better. Job well done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put the second coat down. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna call my client, get the payment, and I'll be heading back to Lawrenceville and get ready for tomorrow. I actually have a screen and recoat tomorrow. Scobie has a screen and recoat tomorrow, so we have 2 screen and recoats tomorrow, and then Kevin will be out doing carpet cleaning. All right, guys, floors look so much better. Let me know what you think. The bathroom, so much better. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They're gonna like this. All right, thanks again. See you in the next one. All right, guys, second coat is going down. Like I said, I did change out my roller, and I'm going straight clear coat on my second coat. So we got a thick, nice thick build. All right. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video and get this second coat put down, and then I'm gonna go to the office and put together this video. About an hour and a half away from the office, and then start getting the trucks ready for tomorrow. Thank you guys again. This week I'm only working Monday through Wednesday, and then I'm going to be going out of town for the rest of the week, and I'll be back at it next Monday. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.